Hey there, fellow ChatGPT enthusiasts. Hold on to your keyboards because I've got the inside scoop on the latest buzz from OpenAI. Drumroll, please. The GPT store is officially open for business. Now, it might not be available on your account just yet, but fear not, it's on its way. By the end of the week, provided you have ChatGPT Plus subscription. So, how do you unlock this new store feature? It's a breeze. Just log into your ChatGPT account, glide over to the left, and click on Explore GPTs. Boom. You're in. Now, feast your eyes on the GPT store. We've got the featured GPTs stealing the spotlight every week, handpicked by the brilliant minds at OpenAI. Oh, and check out the trending GPTs. But wait, there's more. OpenAI has curated an impressive lineup of GPTs in various categories, from mind-bending writing GPTs to productivity wizards, research maestros, coding gurus, and even lifestyle Sherpas. It's like a buffet of all the AI tools you can think of. Navigate through this digital universe with a quick access menu or dive deep into specific categories. Need something specific? Hit up the search bar and discover public GPTs. That'll make your workflow easy and simple. Now, one of my early issues about GPTs was the concern that anyone could just copy GPT creation with just a few clicks. I mean, it's as easy as hitting the create button, explaining what you want, and voila. Another GPT similar to yours is born. But hold on, the real game changer is when companies harness the magic of the create new action and sync it with their APIs. Imagine Uber, OpenTable, Google Calendar, or the mighty Zapier having their own custom GPTs, smoothly chatting and coordinating with their services. That's not just powerful but can't be copied because you insert your own datasets. And here's the mic drop moment: with GPTs, you can upload files to create your very own knowledge base. Companies holding the keys to proprietary knowledge and data can now build GPTs that are one of a kind. No copycats allowed. Now, about the GPT store, brace yourself for a weekly dose of freshness. There. Featuring new GPTs every single week. Want to share your GPT creation with the world? Save your GPT for everyone. Here's the catch: there's a review process, both automated and human reviewed. If your creation doesn't make the cut, sorry, it won't hit the GPT store shelves. Now, the million-dollar question: how do you make cold, hard cash with your GPTs? OpenAI is teasing us with the promise of a GPT Builder revenue program in Q1. You heard that right. As a first step, builders will be rewarded based on how much users engage with their GPTs. It's like the model we currently have on Twitter or Spotify: the more your users groove to your GPTs, the more you earn. Details on the criteria for payment are coming soon, so stay tuned and start dreaming about that GPT-fueled fortune. Alright, let's talk money. OpenAI's GPT Builder revenue program is like a golden ticket, but here's the real talk: unless your GPT is doing something mind-blowingly unique, proprietary, or syncing up with some APIs, you might not be rolling in cash. Sure, there'll be outliers, the GPT rockstars, but for the majority, it's a game of making your creation stand out and keeping it a bit hush-hush. But hold up, that's not the only news of the OpenAI show this week. Brace yourselves for the cool factor: introducing ChatGPT for Teams. Now, this bad boy gives you access to a whopping 32,000 context windows. Yep, you read that right. There's even talk about a mind-boggling 120,000 context window for GPT-4 Turbo in the future. Sign me up for that. But back to the Teams edition: higher message caps, vision browsing, advanced data analysis, formerly known as the code interpreter, all in a secure team workspace. They won't peek at your business secrets. It's like a VIP lounge for your team's creativity. Feeling the FOMO? Setting up a team plan is a breeze. Log into your ChatGPT account, head to the bottom left, hit Upgrade Plan, and boom, there it is, the Plus plan and the Teams plan. Now, it's $25 per user per month, but here's the twist: it's billed annually, so gather your team, pool your excitement, and you're looking at a mere $600 for a year of unleashed creativity and collaboration. Talk about power-moving, exciting times in the world of ChatGPT and AI.